Hello, this is UNIONE Global Discovery Series. In the previous video, we examined great market risk in cosmetic trade. Today, we will look more closely at parallel imports and channel conflict. A product may be genuine, but when it enters a market through multiple distribution routes, pricing, responsibility, and partner relationships can become unclear. This confusion may eventually weaken the entire market structure. Parallel import occurs when genuine products enter a market through a route other than the brand's official or authorized distribution channel. The product itself may be authentic. However, the brand owner or official distributor may not control the source, import process, pricing, or final sales channel. Therefore, product authenticity alone does not guarantee a clear and responsible distribution structure. A cosmetic product may reach consumers through several different routes. One route may begin with the brand owner and unauthorized distributor. Another route may involve a wholesaler, exporter, or parallel importer outside the official market plan. Each route can have different purchasing conditions, documents, responsibilities, and commercial objectives. When these routes enter the same market, conflict can begin. Different distribution routes often create different selling prices. One importer may purchase directly from an authorized supplier. Another may obtain the same product through discounted inventory, another country, or a different wholesale route. Import costs, taxes, freight, margins, and market strategies may also differ. As a result, the same product can appear in one market at significantly different prices. When the same product is sold at very different prices, channel conflict becomes likely. Retailers may question the official distributor's price. The authorized distributor may face pressure from customers and sales partners. The brand owner may struggle to explain why identical products are available under different conditions. What begins as a price difference can quickly become a relationship and credibility problem. Authorized distributors usually invest time and money in registration, marketing, education, retail development, and inventory. If parallel sellers offer the same product at lower prices, the authorized distributor may lose confidence in the market. Promotion may be reduced. Investment may stop. Repeat orders may become smaller or disappear. In the long term, channel conflict can weaken the partner who was expected to build the market. The difference is not simply whether the product is genuine. An authorized channel normally has defined roles, traceable supply, coordinated pricing, market support, and clear responsibility. A parallel channel may offer a commercial opportunity, but the supply source, after-sales responsibility, pricing policy, and market purpose may be unclear. The central issue is control, accountability, and market consistency. Multiple routes and mixed prices create confusion through the market. Retailers may not know which supplier provides reliable documents or after-sales support. Consumers may question why prices differ so widely. They may also become uncertain about product freshness, storage, authenticity, or warranty responsibility. When the market cannot clearly explain the product's route, confidence begins to decline. Clear distribution structure reduces confusion before it becomes conflict. Each participant should understand their role. The product source and the supply route should be transparent. Documents must match the actual importer and the market. Pricing should support a consistent market position. The brand owner, exporter, importer, and distributor should also communicate their intended sales channels clearly. Structured supply does not require every retailer to sell at exactly the same price. However, the pricing range should remain understandable and commercially reasonable. When supply conditions and channel roles are clear, retailers can compete without destroying the market. Pricing consistency improves retailer confidence, protects brand positioning, and creates a stronger foundation for repeat business. Brand stability depends on consistent channel behavior. The market should understand the product's price position, supply source, and intended sales level. Distributors need predictable supply before investing in promotion and inventory. Consumers also need confidence that the product is properly imported and supported. When these conditions remain stable, the brand can develop through long-term cooperation rather than the short-term sales. At UNIONE Global, we do not treat distribution routes as a minor detail. Before developing a transaction, we review the product source, authorization status, export documents, importer responsibility, and intended sales channel. Our objective is not simply to move products into a country. We aim to create a transparent structure that protects both commercial opportunity and long-term market continuity. A stable distribution structure requires clear responsibility at every stage. The brand owner should define the market direction. The authorized supplier should confirm product legitimacy and documentation. The exporter should coordinate the transaction accurately. The importer and distributor should manage compliance, inventory, and local sales. When each role is clear, cooperation becomes more predictable and conflicts become easier to prevent. Transaction clarity creates the foundation for sustainable market development. When the supply route is transparent, responsibilities are easier to manage. When responsibilities are clear, channel conflict decreases. Lower conflict supports more consistent pricing, stronger distributor confidence, and better brand stability. A sustainable market is not built by moving products through as many routes as possible. It is built through controlled and responsible cooperation. Parallel imports may create short-term sales opportunities, but uncontrolled distribution routes can produce price gaps, distributor pressure, consumer confusion, and long-term channel conflict. UNIONE Global believes that transparent sourcing, clear responsibilities, document alignment, and disciplined distribution are essential for stable market development. We welcome brand owners, authorized suppliers, importers, and distributors who want to build clear and sustainable market structures together. Thank you for watching. Next video, G021, Brand Protection in Export Distribution. Thanks for watching.